Uh, See, especially HR heads and people who are managing people, not just HR head, people function or people who are managing large large number of people. It's very important for them to think on, continuously think on to shape a more inclusive and a supporting workplace. And for that, we cannot just depend on our internal EAP or the engagement system, right? We need partners like you to come up with very innovative benefit plans, structure, how to execute, right? That is when we actually fall back with our insurance partners. Uh, this kind of, truly meets what the employees need, especially women, right? Like a comprehensive health coverage. These days, women are looking for policies that cover maternity, of course, that's a basic thing, that cover fertility treatments, preventive screening like mammograms and anything that's related to gynecological checkups. That's what they're looking at. They're also looking at flexible wellness benefits, which has access to mental health, supporting mental health, stress management, anything which comes under wellness initiatives is also something that women are looking at. They're also looking at financial security and parental benefits, peace of mind. Like, we want more women to come back to work, right? If you see, even India as a country, we have 52% male, and we have almost 48% women, which is equal, right? If we thought we have something in terms of caregiving as a benefit, like women can come to work and somebody's taking care of them, or somebody's taking care of them post post the daycare. Or if both the genders and both the sections of the society work, you can just imagine how far the country will go. Mostly, we are nurturers, right? We are responsible for lives within us, and that is so empowering, I would say. Honestly speaking, that's so empowering. When I'm sitting and talking to you, I know there is a life waiting for me. I have to go finish your homework. That's so empowering in a way. And I think we are able to do that kind of multitasking. I would not say balancing, but we are able to have that kind of strength in terms of strength and space in our mind, that we can put on every hat, and we can do a great job. We can do a decent job, and we can run the show both in office. We can run the show at home. Somehow, I think, don't think so. We need to make efforts. It comes very easily to us.
I think one of the best parts about being a woman, I suppose, it's the fact like how a lot of emotions, especially being empathy or sympathy, comes very naturally to us. That also just means understanding things in a better way. That's, I think, one of the highlights of being a woman. And of course, the fact like I can just get my nails done anytime I want to.
I think being emotionally expressive